Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to delete other storage on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open the Files app. Then tap on the three dots and go to Settings. From here, make sure you enable Show Hidden System Files. Now once you enable this option, just go back, then tap on Manage Storage. Now just tap on Unused Apps, and if there is any app which you no longer use, just delete it from here. Then go back and tap on Duplicated Files. Now just delete any duplicated files from here. Just like that. Just select the files and tap on Delete. Now after that, just go back and tap on Large Files. Now from here, just delete any large files which you no longer need, or you can save all the files to your Samsung Cloud and you can delete it from here. Now just select all the large files which you want to delete, then tap on Delete Large Files. After that, just go back and tap on Trash. Now from here, tap on My Files and tap on Select. Now just tap on All and tap on Delete All. Now just go back. Now for the final step, we have to clear the cache partition on our smartphone. Now to do that, first of all, just connect one end of your charging cable to your smartphone and connect the other end of your charging cable to your PC or to your laptop. Now you don't have to do anything on your PC or on your laptop. After that, just press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time until the screen goes black. And when the screen goes black, release the volume down button and press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Now, as you can see, we have successfully entered to the recovery mode. Now from here, just press the volume down button to navigate this screen and select Wipe Cache Partition. Now just press the power button to confirm Wipe Cache Partition. Now just press the volume down button and select Yes. Then press the power button to confirm Yes. Now after that, just make sure you select Reboot System Now and press the power button to confirm Reboot System Now. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to restart and to clear all the cache partition on your smartphone. Now, as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. Now, if we go to the Settings app, then go to Device Care and from here tap on Storage. And this is how you can delete the other storage on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.